Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the access point model and noting the default SSID and admin login, because defaults matter when you first connect. Plug the AP into power or a PoE injector and wait for the indicator lights to stabilize. This signals the boot sequence finished. Next, use an Ethernet cable to link the AP to your laptop or to a switch on the same LAN for initial setup, since a wired connection prevents wireless authentication issues and speeds the configuration process. Once wired, set your laptop to a compatible static IP on the AP's subnet, for example 192.168.1.10, so you can reach its web interface. Open a browser, enter the AP's default IP, and log in with the provided admin credentials, then immediately change the admin password to something secure. Now rename the SSID to a clear, unique name and select WPA2 or WPA3 with a strong passphrase. Also pick a channel. After saving AP settings, switch your laptop back to DHCP, then scan the wireless networks and connect to the newly named SSID using the passphrase you set. Verify internet access and open the AP's status page to confirm your laptop appears as a connected client and that signal strength is good. If you cannot connect, reboot both devices and retry. If problems persist, try accessing common default IPs such as 192.168.1.1 or perform a factory reset, then redo the configuration carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.